Hey guys, what's up? Ruslan here from Berlin, and I want to present today my platform, QualityMax. And QualityMax is basically I present it as a AI testing layer or AI test operating system for the new era, AI assisted testing, because the main problems with the industry right now, as developers are now facing the challenge when the much more code is deployed, and the code is deployed fast with the help of AI, with the help of AI assisted systems, with AI assisted IDEs, things like Copilot, like Claude Code, Cursor, and so on. So basically the problem is that these systems don't really give the guidance of testing. They are not really opinionated about anything, and they just enable developers to ship code very fast at the blazing speed, but it's actually not guardrailed, and this is the biggest issue. So I will not focus too much on the security and other stuff. I will just show you the kind of some glimpse of functionality of QualityMax, and this is more about Playwright test automation with AI discovery that we have in the platform. So I already have logged into my platform. By the way, it's already up and running for 3 months. Yeah. So here, this is my dashboard, and I have a few projects here, and I'm gonna show you one simple example where I have the demo app, from ApplyTools, and this is like a very simple form, the banking application, like kind of a banking application. It's not. So my test would be very simple. Just go to the main URL, do login and password, and then try to validate some stuff while logged in. And I have a test case here, which has a test title financial overview test new. It has some test steps already, but I can actually skip even them. I don't need so much details. My system would be validating it nevertheless. So I have the instructions. They're not really detailed. They're just in a human readable language, but the system will deduct itself more stuff. So I save it, and I'll go with AI crawling. I have auto selection of AI provider. By the way, it's possible to select few of them, like Claude, OpenAI, DeepSeek, Gemini, Mistral, Grok, but auto mode is most stable one. And I use V2 discovery pipeline, which is based on Playwright MCP discovery with our custom engine. And we have a fanatical prompt engine that is rebuilds the prompts during the discovery. So let's go. Now we are creating virtual test plan, which is kind of like a draft plan that would actually show the users what should be actually in the end user in the end scenario. And by the way, I have some funny citations here from non-testing people. So this is like a plan, and this is we have 22 test actions, and it's basically still not automated plan, but just our kind of plan that would be executed and automated. But we have some important elements, like required elements, that should be here, and we have prerequisites, and the system already deducted that this is end-to-end test with dashboard, and it's financial application. So let's go and approve the plan. Okay, so our plan is running, and here we can see that this is actual execution, and I have a specific styled progress bar that shows all the steps with the eye crawling. It's going from the pending to crawling, analyzing, and generating, validating, verifying, and saving finally. So in the end, we will have an executable Playwright script When I open this, I can see all the detailed custom instructions which were derived from my initial instructions, and these are like much more detailed instructions. And while we are doing this, I will gonna get to like introduce you to my new friend who is like qmax-code. And qmax-code is a terminal application. It's a terminal agent, and it's just built exclusively from scratch for QualityMax and by QualityMax. And I'll just ask him what he can do. What can you do, Max? This is meow. So it has pretty a lot of stuff that it's possible to do, but most importantly, he's fully connected to the system, and we can try to navigate to the project we are doing. By the way, it's already like generating the test. I'm gonna ask him to find this project. Just a moment. Okay. Yeah, it's already created. Let's ask him if I don't know if it's last time crawl result. So one is just running, as we see, and we have previously completed ones. So let's still wait. All right, the crawl is completed and test is generated. Okay, so we have the test result already uploaded, and it's passed. And here's like a video of the recording and the screenshot. Right, but let's ask if check if the test actually served the goal. Let's see. So the test found that there were no financial overview validation. Can you fix it? Well, I'll refresh the page. Let's see. Okay. So we have new elements that were generated by qmax agent. And this is the balance text, balance element, financial sections. And let's see. Okay, so previous version of test failed and then it passed. Okay. just with a few iterations, it's already like fixed the problematic areas. And it's kind of great to see that qmax-code is actually validated and kind of complemented the qmax, like QualityMax functionality with the eye crawling. So the task passed, I can export it, I can view it, share it, I can also see the effectiveness, but we have quite good quality. And here is why. It has proper imports, has good structure, has assertions, has braces, reasonable length, has some issues like step blocks, and this is like a minor issue of the multi-step coverage. So guys, welcome to the platform. Stay tuned for more updates, more videos. I hope to see you on the platform. Please welcome to subscribe to our platform. Happy to see you as users. Thanks so much. Bye.